Yeah. You've got that.
I wouldn't be able to go up that.
Just stop here for a sec.
That's what's nicer than riding up the fire road. Why don't we do that more?
Because you weren't ready for it. Part 4 of my birthday celebrations, Naomi organised for me to get an e-bike out at Hidden Vale as an early start to the day. So
a little bit too early.
So we're here before 7 AM. It's a bit crisp, not gonna lie. My nose and ears are freezing.
A little bit.
But we've just come down a trail called Happy Gilmore,
yeah.
and Naomi's first time on it. She did very well, actually. And we're about to head up 007 and then Dodgem, and then we're gonna work our way out to some of the further trails out here. I think it's just shocked Naomi a little bit. Yeah, honey. Whee! You shouldn't do. I was in boost mode being stupid. Heading along Fire Road to Intervention. We've done Happy Gilmore, 007 and Dodgem so far. And Naomi's doing exceptionally well, to be honest. You want to try it or walk it? You kick that log. Yeah! The ones on defib don't seem so bad now, do they? Corners like these are usually Naomi's nemesis. But she's handling them like a champ today. It's kind of like Mount Peel, isn't it? Less rocky.
Yeah.
In case you hadn't guessed, Naomi does not like Mount Peel. Termite mounds. Handling these rocky creek crossings like a pro. Oh, that cassette. I'm good, yeah. I'm just looking at this cassette and it's loose.
Ready?
I'm ready. Quite a big jump, that one. Another big jump there. Oh, that one looks actually pretty safe.
I think I saved my butt, that one.
Riders. How you doing?
Not too bad. Could do with a full suspension, I'll tell you that.
I didn't even notice you're on a hardtail there. Wow. All good, guys?
Yeah, all good, mate.
No worries. That one's a bit tight.
Glad I stopped though, because my toes slammed into the front of that rock as we stopped, and if I would have kept going, it would have been But the other reason I was going fast is because that section was damn fun to go fast. It's so flowy, it's like zoom.
I love it how she gets excited over riding. I swear she's nuttier about riding than I. Well done, honey. So we're heading up Riders Creed now. I've never actually done this one before, so we'll have to see what's coming. Yeah, that's a cool little billabong type thing.
That's what I stopped to look at. It looks pretty stagnant though.
It does.
Doesn't look overly fun to swim in.
No, I'm not going to take a dip in it. My guess though, probably a wallaby or a kangaroo or something. Wonderful, lovely rocks. Oh. And people say Hidden Vale has some rocks. They ain't kidding. Whee! So Naomi and I on the e-bikes have done nearly 29 k's. She's heading off back to the parking lot, and I'm going to head down Plane Sailing before I meet her at the parking lot, and we're going to go get some lunch. But I've had a lot of fun. It's been a great end to my 4-day birthday apparently. So yeah, let's get out and smash it. Getting in boost mode, fresh battery in the GoPro, let's smash it. Oh, not like that.